Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 3 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math as a you have to select math from the subject tab. Then scroll down to grade 3 maths and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication skill builders. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply by 6, multiply by 7, multiply by 8, multiply by 9, multiply by 10, and multiply by 11. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply by 6. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here is the next first lesson, that is multiply by 6. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, so let's start with the test questions. So please make sure whenever you are working on multiplication, you are perfect with the tables. Got it? So the first one is 10 times 6. So 10 times 6 is 6 times 0 is 0 and 6 times 1 is 6. Got it? So 10 times 6 is 10 times 6 is 60. The correct option is 60. Very good. The next one is 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 is 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. The correct option is 30. Okay, the next one is 6 times 4. Or either you can say 4 times 6. So 6 times 4 is, yes, 6 times 4 is 24. Got it? So the correct option is 24. Okay, the next one is 7 times 6. So 7 times 6 is, very good. 7 times 6 is, 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 6 is 42. The correct option is 42. Next one is 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is, 36. The correct option is 36. Okay, the next one is 6 times 1. So 6 times 1 is, 6 times 1 is 6. The correct option is 6. Very good. The next one is 6 times 8. So 6 times 8 is, 6 times 8 is, 48. Very good. 6 times 8 is 48. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 times 6, or either you can say 6 times 2. So 2 times 6 is, so 2 times 6 is, very good. 2 times 6 or 6 times 2 is 12. The next one is 6 times 1. So 6 times 1 is, 6 times 1 is, very good. 6 times 1 is 6. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Basically, you just have to memorize all the tables. So if you are perfect with the tables, you can do multiplication. But if you are not perfect with the multiplication, then if you're not perfect with the tables, then multiplication is a big deal. So please make sure you are perfect with the multiplication. Got it? Okay, the next one is multiply by 7. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, 3 times 7. Please stop talking, everyone. Just listen to me carefully. 3 times 7 is, stop talking, everyone. 3 times 7 is, very good. 3 times 7 is 21. So the correct option is 21. 3 times 7 or 7 times 3. Got it? The correct option is 21. Okay, the next one is 7 times 4, or either 4 times 7. 7 times 4 is, very good, it is 28. So the correct option is 28. The next one is 10 times 7. 10 times 7 is, 10 times 7 is 70. So the correct option is 70. Okay, 8 times 7 is, 8 times 7 is, 8 times 7 is, very good, it is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. 34. 8 times 7 makes 30, 56, not 34. Okay, the next one is 7 times 1. So 7 times 1 is, 7 times 1 is, yes, it is 7. 5 times 7 is, very good. 5 times 7 is 35. Got it? 5 times 7 is 35. So the correct option is 35. The next one is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is, 4 times 7 is 28. So the correct option is very good, 28. Okay, the next one is 7 times 3. So 7 times 3 is 7 times 3 is 21. So the correct option is 21. Okay, the next one is 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 9 times 7 is 63. So the correct option is 9 times 7 makes 63. So the next one is 7 times 8. So 7 times 8 is 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Got it? Okay. The next one is 0 times 7. So 0 times 7 is 0. Got it? 0 multiplied by any number makes 0. Got it? The next one is 7 times 1. So 7 times 1 is 7 times 1 is 7. Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next topic. The next topic is multiply by 8. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Basically, you have to learn now table of 8. If you are not good with the tables, you can memorize each one daily one table. Got it? And you will be perfect by the next week. So start with the tables that you are not perfect. Start daily one table. Got it? Okay, let's start with multiply by 8. 8 times 1 is 8 times 1 is 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 8 times 0. So 8 times 0 is 8 times 0 is 8. So the correct option 0 multiplied by any number makes 0. Got it? So 8 times 0 makes 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is 8 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 8 times 3 is 24. Got it? So the correct option is 24. 8 times 3 makes 8 times 3 or 3 times 8. Got it? So 8 times 3 is 24. Got it? 24. Okay, the next one is 10 times 8. 10 times 8 is 10 times 8 is 10 times 8 is yes, it is 80. So the correct option is 80. The next one is 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 8 times 4 is very good. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, the next one is 8 times 5. So 8 times 5 is 8 times 5 is 8 times 5 is very good. It is 40. Okay, the next one is 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 is 2 times 8 is 16. The next one is 3 times 8. So 3 times 8 is 3 times 8 is 24. So the correct option is 24. Okay, the next one is 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. The next one is 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is Very good. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, 8 times 4 is 8 times 4 is, yes, it is 32. Got it? Okay, the last one is 8 times 10 is, very good. 8 times 10 is 80. Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next one. The next one is multiply by 9. So now the table of 9. Okay. Let's just start with the multiply by 9. Okay, here is multiply by 9. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 9 times 8 is 9 times 8 or 8 by 8 times 9. Got it? Times 8 is, okay, can you hear me now? Okay, the next one is 8 times 9. So 8 times 9 is, it is 72. Sorry, it was a connection problem actually. Okay, the next one is 9 times 0. So 9 times 0 is 9 times 0 is, yes, it is 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is 9 times 5. So 9 times 5 is, 9 times 5 is, very good. 9 times 5 makes 45. Okay, the next one is 9 times 4. So 9 times 4 is, 9 times 4 makes 36. Very good. Okay, the next one is 0 times 9. So 0 times 9 makes, yes, it is 0. 0 multiplied by any number makes 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is 9 times 7. So 9 times 7 is, 9 times 7 is, yes, it is 63. Okay, the next one is 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is, very good. 9 times 3 makes 27. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next one is multiply by 10. So multiplying by 10 and 11 is very easy. So let's start with multiply by 10. Okay, 10 times 3 is, you can simply like we do multiplying by 0. Just multiply the non-zero numbers. Got it? 3 times 1 is 3 and add a 0. So it makes 30. Got it? That's why multiplying by 0 is, multiplying by table of 10 is easy actually. Yes, very good. 10 times 3 is 30. The next one is 10 times 9. So 10 times 9 is, 10 times 9 is, very good, 90. 9 times 1 is 9. You can add a 0. So 10 times 9 makes 90. Got it? Okay, the next one is 10 times 80. So 10 times 8, 10 times 8 is, very good, 10 times 8 is 80 it is. Okay, the next one is 10 times 1. 10 times 1 is, yes, 10 times 1 is 10. Okay, the next one is 3 times 10. So 3 times 10 is, 3 times 10 is 39. 30 it is. 3 times 10 is 30. I think it's a typing mistake. 10 times 3 is 30. Okay, the next one is 9 times 10. 9 times 10 is 9 times 10 is 90. Got it? So the correct option is 90. Okay, the next one is 6 times 10. So 6 times 10 is, yes, it is 60. 6 times 10 makes 60. Okay, the next one is 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is, very good, 20. Okay, the next one is 0 times 10. So 0 times 10 is, zero. Got it? 0 times 10 makes 0. Okay, the next one is 10 times 7. 10 times 7 is, yes, it is 70. Okay, the next one is 8 times 10. 8 times 10 is, 8 times 10 is 80. And the last one is 4 times 10. So 4 times 10 is, very good, 40. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. The next one is multiply by 11. Okay, multiply by 11. So multiplying by 11 is very easy. We know that any number multiplied by 1 makes the same number. Got it? Okay, 2 times 11 is, 11 times 2 is, yes, very good, it is 22. The next one is again 11 times 2. So 11 times 2 is, stop talking everyone. 11 times 2 is, yes, it is 22. Please focus on the lesson we're working on. The next one is 11 times 7. So 11 times 7 is, very good, it is 77. Okay, the next one is again 7 times 11. So 7 times 11 is, 7 times 11 is, yes, it is 77. Okay, the next one is 6 times 11. So 6 times 11 is, It is 66. 5 times 11. 5 times 1 is 5 times 11 is, yes, 5 times 11 is 55. Very good. Okay, the next one is 11 times 6. So 11 times 6 is yes, it is 66. Okay, the next one is 10 times 11. So 11 times 10 is 11 times 10 is 112. Please stop talking, behave yourself, everyone. 11 times 3 is 11 times 3 is 11 times 3 is, yes, it is 33. Okay, 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 7 is, yes, it is 77. Got it? Okay, the last one is 11 times 11. So 11 times 11 is 121. Got it? So 11 times 11 is 121. Okay, we're working on grade 2 maths. Sorry, we're working on grade 3 maths. And lesson we're working on is multiplication skill builders. And the lessons we have covered today are multiply by 6, multiply by 7, multiply by 8, multiply by 9, multiply by 10, and multiply by 11. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Please click on the like button right below the video. See you session. Bye everyone.